Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're doing a quick video. Going to show you how to prep your carburetor gasket surface for your new carburetor. So first thing I like to do is I like to go ahead and stuff some rags in there. Right, and then what I like to do is get my little air tool here with a Scotch-Brite pad on the end, and then I just do what? Okay, so I'm not sure what happened, but we lost sound in the video. But so what this had on it was old duct tape. And so when I tried to use a Scotch-Brite pad, it just gummed up the Scotch-Brite pad. So I ended up using that wire brush, and now it feels pretty good. And I'm gonna go ahead and go back over it with the Scotch-Brite here and kind of just redress up the surface because it has a lot of scratches in it from the wire brush. Then a little more brake clean. Now we got to do is get our carburetor, get our studs, and we'll have a new carburetor on this. We'll see you guys next time.